This is for Saga Level 6, Problem 9. The question is asking you what the distance is from this point at -2, comma, -1 to this point, which is at 4, comma, 2. The first thing we do is we can create a right triangle. So I'll just go straight across and drop a line straight down. Now that we have a right triangle, we can apply the Pythagorean theorem. So the Pythagorean theorem says you take leg squared plus the other leg squared, and together they equal the hypotenuse squared. So if this is one of my legs, the length of it is going to be 1, 2, 3 units long, and you square that. The other leg, as I count across, is going to be 6 units long, and you square that. And when you add these together, it's going to equal the hypotenuse squared. So, as we recall, if I draw the squares, 3 squared is 9, that's the area of this square. 6 squared is 36, and if you add those two squares together, it will equal the area of this largest square. And 9 plus 36 is 45. So if the area of this largest square is 45, that means to find its side length, we have to undo the square, which is the square root. So that's how we get the square root of 45 as your side length.